Yeah, y'all know who this is, and I'm coming for ya. The next MMA big superstar, Romain Simon. I'm coming for you. I need your belt, your title, your fans, everybody who's following you. And I ain't lying. Right now, I got a record of 9 wins, 2 losses, and 3 submissions. TKO. So when I get you in that headlock, you won't surprise. You will not survive. You better get ready for it. Alright? Because I'm coming.